Okay, I'm out here about ready to test my edger for the first time, and you can kind of see where I got with my other weed whacker. I was able to find an edge just right here, but all along here it was just super thick mud. So I am hoping, sorry it's a little bit windy here today. It was raining a whole bunch this morning, and I hope that it's not too muddy here and the stuff doesn't get clogged up, but it should be fine. So I'm actually gonna use the 10 amp hour battery from my mower, so I should have plenty of life. And then I set this on kind of the medium level, so right in between high and low. So we're gonna try that out and hopefully not hit too much curb. Let's see how it goes. You can definitely kind of tell when you're bumping up to the cement, but I think that is normal. So I got a nice line right down here, and I'm gonna take a shovel here, scrape this off, and see what it looks like. Okay, so I did my first pass here. Used this flat edge shovel, scraped off a lot of the extra stuff from the sides, and I'm gonna go over it again. I did do their front over here too, which is even thicker. So I set this a little bit deeper than last time, because a lot of that mud is probably almost 2 or 3 inches thick. So I really want to get down there and make a clean line. I have noticed that it's best just to kind of let it go forward. Don't try to go back and forward. All right, that looks plenty thick there. They do have some curbs here too, or curves, which is a little bit harder with this because it kind of just wants to go straight. You want to point that line right there, you know where the blade's going to be. All right, here's how it turned out. Pretty good, if you ask me. A little bit of user error, just getting to know it a little bit, especially if the concrete isn't completely straight, but we even got kind of this curve over here. May have taken a little too much off of that, but it's okay. We want the grass away from there. And then I did this area over here too. Really thick. This one I took probably like 4 inches back from the driveway. And then they do have some of this curbing here, which I don't think I'm going to be able to use that machine with. I may try it out a little bit, but I may just get out there with my weed whacker. And I did that last year, so it shouldn't be too bad. But so far so good. I would recommend this machine. You may go through a few blades. I think that's going to be the biggest issue. It's just hitting lots of rocks and concrete and edging and stuff, but I think it looks pretty good. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you later.